everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your L.L.Bean credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into L.L.Bean credit card online, go and open up a web browser first. In the web address bar, type in L.L.Bean credit card, log in and search. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says L.L.Bean credit card, sign on or apply online. You'll end up in the sign in area soon after you do that. Now, enter your user ID and then your password in the sign on field. And once you are done, you can tap on the sign on button. But if you've forgotten your user ID or your password during logging in, tap on retrieve user ID or reset password link under sign on and follow the instructions till the end. Doing this will help you retrieve your credentials back. After filling in your information correct, tap on sign on and you'll be able to log into your L.L.Bean credit card online. The L.L.Bean credit card is a store credit card which can be used to make purchases at L.L.Bean stores or online. That is how you can easily log into your L.L.Bean credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.